With Design Master HVAC, defining your building goes from tedious to intuitive. Define your rooms by tracing over the architectural drawings. Then set the airflow requirements, activity level, wall materials, and much more. Assign rooms to floors and zones, which have their own information that you control. After that, load calculations are a snap. You can even generate print-ready reports and display the information visually with load calculation maps. Our software also offers intelligent duct and diffuser layouts, calculations for CFM and duct sizing, pressure loss, and 3D drafting with BIM compatibility. Sign up for your free trial today.